Bohr's model of an atom. Niels Bohr, 1913, proposed a modified model of atomic structure in order to overcome the difficulties of Rutherford's model, which is the first step towards modern atomic theory. The postulates of this theory are: 1. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a limited number of orbits called permissible orbits. 2. Each of these fixed orbits has a definite energy, hence they are also known as energy levels, energy shells, or stationary states. The energy of the K shell is the least, while those of L, M, N, and O shells increases progressively. 3. The energy of an electron remains constant so long as it stays in a given orbit. Electrons present in different orbits have different energies. 4. When an electron jumps from a lower energy level to a higher one, some energy is absorbed. When an electron jumps from a higher energy level to a lower energy level, some energy is emitted. The amount of energy absorbed or emitted is given by the difference of energies associated with the two levels. Energy absorbed or emitted, delta E is equal to E2 minus E1, which equals h nu, where h is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of radiation absorbed or emitted.